Our Leafy Friends. Third Standard, Unit 1, Term 3, English.
I like to eat fruits from the tree. Do you? Coconut tree, jack tree, pipal tree, fig tree, tamarind tree, palm tree, banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, plantain tree. Wonderful tree. I am wonderful tree, in the heart of seeds buried so deep. My mighty plant lay asleep. Wake up, said the sun, rise and shine. Wake up, said the rain, so we may sustain. My little plant heard and rose to see how wonderful the outside world might be.
The Coconut Grove. Enya was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with the parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. She helped her parents by the lake, went to school, and then spent time with them only to wake up the next day. Each day she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. Her mother followed with the laundry and the father brought the big fishing net. Her mother washed the clothes on a stone next to the lake while her father went fishing. He dragged the net to the shore and they collected the fish in a big basket. Sometimes a turtle got stuck in the net, but Enya always hurried to save it. One sunny morning, while fishing with her father, Enya said,
Appa, if we catch so many fish, what if one day there is no fish left?
Her mother laughed and sent her off to school. Under the shade of the trees, Enya's mother fell into an uneasy sleep. She dreamt of a lake with no fish. In her dream, every day the father returned from the lake with no fish and the family could not support itself. The wind then said,
The water and the land always takes care of your family. So you have to take care of them in return.
She woke up with tears in her eyes. She didn't know how to bring up Inya without selling enough fish. All afternoon she sat, weaving coconut mats and thinking about her dream. That night, Inya heard her parent whisper as the oil lamp burned deep into the night. The next morning, her father gave her a small basket.
How can we carry all the fish in this little basket?
Inya asked. We will only take as many fish as we fit inside the basket, he replied. Inya was puzzled.
How would this be enough for us?
Inya wondered. When she came back from school, she was happy to find the mother making soap and oil from the coconuts. Enya swiftly climbed up a tree to get more coconuts, but her mother said, Don't pluck them. We must only use what the tree gives us. Her father said, We have taken only fallen coconuts for making these things. Look, we have even made this soap with the jasmine flower inside. Inya learnt a lot about gardening and arts at school. When Inya grew older, she made coconut fiber packs that could be used to pot plants. She also loved to carve coconuts. She made many toys and idols with fallen coconuts. Her favorite was to carve tiny turtles out of coconut shells. She always wore one around her neck. Tick the correct word. The first one is turtle, a lake, coconut leaves. Match by writing the number Inya, big brown eyes, father, fishing, mother, making soap and oil. Answer the following question. Who is in the story? Inya. Why did the mother and father use small basket for fish? To take only as many fish will fit into the small basket. What did Inya's mother make with fiber? Coconut fiber packs that could be used to pot plants. Why did Inya make the turtles? Turtles were a favorite. Circle the odd pair. Here the odd pair is mango and man. Let us practice. Reading, climb, sprout, water, plant, pluck. These are actions. Now fill with correct action. Climb, water, sprout. Listen to the sound and repeat. Cereal, cement, city, circus, cyclone, cycle. Listen and repeat. Scent, city, cycle, twice, circle, fancy, voice, recipe, mercy, cement, decide, spicy, ceramic, medicine, cyclone. Read aloud. I saw the circus in the city. The mice are eating the slice. Put ice in the juice. The cyclone takes the cycle. Here we need to fill with CE, CI and CY. Ceramic, CE. Cyclone, CY. Mice, CE. City, CI. Fill in the blanks. Medicine, MEDICINE. Circus, CIRCUS. Cycle, CYCLE. Fancy, FANCY. Okay, here we have the grammar part. When a person, place or a thing receives an action, we use me, him, her and us. Now here are the example. Now teacher. Teacher means it's a man. So he becomes him. Arif, again he is talking about himself. So when we talk about ourselves, it is also it becomes always me. So whenever there is I, it becomes me. Whenever there is she, it becomes her. And whenever we have we, it becomes us. So whenever it is he, it is him, I, me, she, her, we, us. Now match the picture to the word. So first one is him, boy. Second one is her, girl. And the third one is us. That means more than two people. Now here we need to circle the words that receive the action. So David sings to her. So her is the the word that receives the action. Don't lie to me. So me is the answer. The teacher called him. Him is the answer. The bus driver took us home. So us is the answer. Abu got me a toy. Me is the answer. Mom and dad take us to the park. Us is the answer. Janu likes to play with him. Him is the answer. He danced with her. Her is the answer. Choose the correct word. I saw him. Tom plays with her. We like a cat. We hope the cat likes us. I know Raju. He knows me from the dance school. The king and the angel. A king wanted to build a new palace.
I want a big palace with wooden pillars. Find the biggest tree and cut it.
Yes, my lord. They found a big neem tree to cut. Cut the tree for the king.
Oh, please don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick.
We will not let you cut the tree.
It's the king's orders.
They went to the king and told about the tree and the people.
I will come with you to cut the tree.
That night the angel came in king's dream.
My lord, I am the angel of the tree. I am home to many birds. There are so many small trees near me. Also, many come and rest in my shade. Please don't cut me.
Your wood is very good. I have to cut you.
Okay then. Cut me when it rains. Cut me in 3 parts. First my leaves, then my branches, and then my trunk.
Why do you say so?
If you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and small trees. If I fall in 3 parts, then some of them will live.
The king woke up. He felt bad for the tree.
Don't cut the tree. We should save all the trees. I will build my palace with rocks.
Circle the correct word. The first is palace. The second one is angel. Fill in the blanks. The king wants to build a palace with wooden pillars. The tree angel came in king's dream. Look at the pictures and name it. The first one is turtle. Second one is coconut leaves. Third one is coconut fiber. Circle the word with CE. Cement, ice, nice. Circle the words with CI. City, civil, pencil. Circle the words with CY. Cycle, mercy, fancy. Write the correct word. Can you help her with homework? Lily likes to play carom with him. Abhi saw her at the bus stop. Milk gives us energy. Selvi brought me delicious food. Look at the picture and fill with me, him, her or us. She danced with her. My dad went to market without me. Our teacher helps us. Gauri always makes him laugh.